Friends, let's make some cats out of these little Dollar Tree signs. And if you're new here, hey, I'm Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. All right, so we have these little sign things from Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking off all the leg things, little stands. Take all those off. They will snap in half if you're not careful, so just know that. Then I cut each of them down varying lengths like this. Then we're going to sand all of them, and you want to make sure you sand off those letters because you'll be able to see it if you paint it. Ask me how I know. Anyways, I then paint each of the three black. I'm using just a black chalk paint. It's like an acrylic paint. And I did both sides. Then once it was completely dry, I go over and I sand it. Just because I like that primitive vibe. If you don't like that vibe, don't do this. And I also did the sides as well. Sand, sand, sand. Perfect, right? Okay, so here's an example of why I love using chalk to sketch out my designs. Now here, Colette is trying to be spooky. I don't do spooky. So I'm trying to make its eyes look spooky. No, I'm just going back. I keep trying. But see what I'm saying, though, before, you can just wipe it off. And the chalk comes right off. So just saying that this is a good way to kind of sketch things out. So yeah, I did kind of cutesy. Here we go. Back to the big old bubble eyes because that's what I do. That's what I know. Spooky isn't in my wheelhouse. It's just not. So then I'm using a Posca pen marker. It's a paint marker rather. And I'm just coloring in the eyes white. And then once that dries fully, I'll put a little dot of black just so that it looks, gives it a little more personality. You could do just 2 dots, I suppose, if you wanted small little eyes, however you wanted to do. Once it's dry, though, you can go and wipe off all of the chalk marks. I know, it's really cool. Then I take another Posca pen and, like I said, did those little dots for the eyes. And again, I do 3 of these, right? So then I take some raffia and I'm just tying it in a knot twice in the center. Now, you could tie the raffia around in a bow for each of your kitty cats. That's fine. I just chose to do it this way. Oh, and I rub it in between my hands to kind of make it all messy. Man, words are hard today. Messy. And then I just glue it on so it looks like whiskers. Look how cute this is. I do this for all 3 of them. Again, you could tie a bow around the center and that would be cute too, but I like this. And then if you watched the video from last week, this is how I put the cats on our Crackle finish sign that we did. It was a Dollar Tree sign. I put some Jenga blocks down because I wanted to give some height in between each of the Kit Kats. So I did that. And then I used some biscuits on the other side. So again, it gives some dimension. Made it look super cool, I think. Look at how cute they are. I love them. Oh, so cute. Now you can trim them, leave them long, whatever you want. This is your project. You do you, boo, however you want to do it. I added the little welcome sign back onto our sign and then added the little hanger. And are you kidding me? Look how cute it is. Yeah, and it's not scary. These are yet another thing that I'm not afraid of during spooky season. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching. And I hope this inspires you.